Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute duck. So for that, what you need, your pencil, eraser, paper and some paints. So let's get started. So first I took my paper horizontally and then I'm going to start my duck over here. Okay, do not start it from the middle, start it from a little bit of the left side of your paper, and you can make a little circle. Start making a circle, make a nice, and do not make it too small circle, try to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, very good. Okay, all right, so now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make a little curvy line over here next to that circle, where on the right side I made a little curved line here, right? Very good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a big oval shape here. Okay, so you make a big and nice oval shape over here. Very good. If you see, I made a little bit wider the oval shape on the left side and a little smaller on the right side. Okay, good job. And if you have any extra lines inside, you can just erase that. Very good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add one little curvy line up from here and then bring that line down inside this part. Okay, very good. See, I came inside. If your oval is a little smaller, then it's fine, then you don't have to do it inside. Okay, and then you can erase the extra line from there. Okay, very good. Good job, guys. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'll start make a line here and connect to the circle. Okay, very good. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna make the wings, right? So for the wings, I'm making a curvy line here which will go all the way to the top. See, I made a curvy line, will go up, and you can go a little bit up, and from here you can make two curve and connect it. So from here, what you're gonna do, you go until this much and then we'll make some curved line inside, like a number 3. How you write a number 3, or like a W? So you just make a W with 3 curves. Okay, very nice. Good job. And if you want, it's totally optional. If you want, you can make the W shape over here as well. Very nice. Good job. Now from here you make a curved line which will come all the way here. You don't have to connect it exactly, but if you want to, you can connect it, or you can skip this part as well. Okay, very good. Good job, guys. Now we'll make this beak here. For the beak, what I'm doing, I'm starting from the little up of my circle. Do not start in the middle here. Go start a little bit up, go all the way to the left. This point will go up like this, and then it will come down here with a curve, and then you can make another like a U shape over here and connect. See, this one is going up. It's like, writing a M. You're just writing a M over here. but this part will be a little bit more curvier. And do not make it very skinny, try to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, all right. Now what you do here, can you make a V shape inside? All right, now let's make the eyes. For the eyes, what I'm doing here, I'm making a big oval shape here. Very good. Then make another oval shape inside. Very good. And make another half circle inside. So that's going to be for the reflection of the eyes. We're done. Good job. Now what I'm gonna do here, from this top part of the head, I'm making a curvy line down, 1 and 2 curve. That's it, no more than 2 curves. Okay, very good. And if you want to make an eyebrow, perfect. And for the nostril, first I'm gonna connect this line. Oh, I'm so sorry, I totally forgot to connect this line. Okay, I connected this line here, and I will make the nostril on top of that. Very good, good job. Now for the water, what I'm doing here, I'm just making a little waves here and some waves over here. So make wiggly lines, and that's all. Now what you're gonna do, you can take your eraser and can you erase the line inside here, inside that circle we just did, that line, and around the next one you can just make a small line. And also you connect this one over here. Very good. If you have any extra line inside anywhere, remember we did the oval, that's for the basic shape. Now we don't need that anymore, so we're just gonna erase it. Alrighty, very nice. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Sharpie and then I'll just only trace the eyes here, this one and this one. Do not color anything, just trace the eyes, and you can just make a little dot here for the nostril. Very good. For coloring, what you need is a brush and 3 colors. You need a blue for the water, and you need yellow and orange. Okay, so let's get started. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some water and I'll add some plain water inside the duck, but make sure don't go inside the eyes or inside the beak. Okay, very good. And then I'm going to take my yellow, a lot of yellow in my brush, and then I'll just go all around and add the yellow all over this place. Okay, very good. Make sure you go a little slower while you're going close to the edge. Very nice. And you go a little this hair area as well. Very. Now you can wash your brush and take your orange, and this time we're not going to apply any water. Just take your regular orange and then you can go slow and then color the beak. And if you think that you need to change your brush. You want to change the brush if you want it more smaller, that is more comfortable for you, definitely do that. Go make the outline, and then you do it over here as well. Very nice. Great job. Very good. Now you can just wash your brush and then take a little bit of blue and then color only the second circle. Okay, do not color the first circle, do not color the third circle, just color the second circle, the medium circle. Perfect. Very good. So that's pretty much it, and then you can wait a little bit more to get this part dry, so you can just add the water. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my blue and then see, just make some wiggly lines with your blue. Wait until it's dry, okay? Because if it's not dry, I know I did not wait that long, but yeah, you can wait a little bit. For lines, what you can do, you can take a dark purple or a little bit of darker blue and then make those lines slightly darker. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and let me know how you like these videos, and do subscribe so you don't miss any video which I upload every week. Okay, all right, so that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next episode. Bye bye.
Guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.